Okay, so for this question, it asks us to draw a line through the point given and perpendicular to the line displayed. Okay, so for something to be perpendicular, that means it has to be the opposite and the reciprocal of the slope. So for instance, if the original slope was 2/3, then a perpendicular slope would be -3/2. So reciprocal, opposite sign. So the first question is asking, what are the slopes of the line? It's just slope. Okay, what's the slope of the line already graphed? So this is going over 1 and down 1. So that means this slope right here would be -1. Because the -1 over 1 would make -1. So the slope of our line would be +1, right? Because if we take the reciprocal of -1 over 1 and change the sign and flip it, then that would be 1. And then here, to draw this, I would just start at that point and then go over 1 and up 1, and that would be it. So now on this example, the intercept turned out great. On example 28 that I just made a video for, this came out of fraction. So if it happened to come out of fraction for you, go back and watch how to find that for the extra video for 28. But for this one, there's no need to do any algebra. We can just look at the point. So this is just going to be y equals m is 1, so 1x or just x, and then +3 because there's our y-intercept, so we can read it right off the graph. Cool.